Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 Pro, and I'm gonna show you a few tricks you can use on this watch. First, I'm gonna show you some things we can do with the app menu. So, to open the app menu, press the crown button, then press it again so first you need to basically wake up the screen and then press the crown button to open the app menu. And here we have it, and in this menu we can, for example, reorder the icons. So if you press and hold on the icon, you can move it to the place you want it to be in and then drop it. You can also remove the icons, which will basically uninstall application from your watch. So if you press and hold on the icon, some of them will have the uninstall option. You can tap on it, tap on the check mark, and basically the app will be removed from your watch and also will disappear from the menu. You can also change the way the menu is being displayed. By default it's going to be in this hex grid, but you can scroll all the way down, tap on list, and it will basically change to the list view. This will also show you the name of the apps, as you can see. So if you prefer the list view, or you just want to see the names of the apps, you can select the list view. Or if you want to see the name of the apps in the hex grid, you can scroll all the way up, then swipe down like this. You will see this pop-up on the top saying show app names. When you release the screen, it will basically switch to this mode, and now it will show you the name of the applications. You can also disable this by doing the same thing. So basically, oh my bad, let's go back to the menu. You can swipe down to show the names and to hide them. You have show and hide. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing, which is shortcuts, the button shortcuts. So if we open the settings, find the option called down button, open it, and we have press once and press twice. If you select press once, you can scroll through the list of functions, select the function you want to use. For example, I don't know, maybe notepad. Did I select notepad? Yes, I did. And press twice only allows you to select the payment apps, basically. If you have something else than HUAWEI, you can select it here. And now, if you press once the button on the home screen, it will open it should open the notes. Did I select compass? Let's double check it. Down button. Oh yeah, apparently the compass is selected. Interesting. I'm pretty sure I selected notepad, but maybe I missed the button. Now it should open the notepad. Yes. Okay. And the double press will open the payment application. Okay. Another thing I want to show you is how to take screenshots. This could be useful, for example, if you're maybe using Spotify and you want to quickly save the name of the song, and maybe you want to come back to it later and you want to know how it was called, or other stuff that would require you to take a screenshot of the screen. And to take a screenshot, you simply press together the upper and the lower button together, like this. You will see the flash on the screen, and also this message that the phone needs to be connected with the watch for the screenshots to sync. I forgot to connect this watch to my phone, but basically if your watch is paired with a phone, it will save the screenshots on your phone, and you can go to photos, find the album called screenshots, and if you open it, you will see the screenshots right here. Okay. And last thing I want to show you is the recent apps menu. And this one is, I believe, the most useful of all of them. Basically, if you double press the crown button, it opens the recent apps menu, like this. And here you have the list of applications that you closed, but they're still in the memory of the watch, so you can come back to them. And this could be useful if you, for example, let's say do something in some app, maybe calculator, you count something, then you want to go back to different app, so you press the crown button, open different application, for example, music, and now you remembered you want to do something else in calculator. You can come back to it quickly by double pressing the crown button, finding the calculator on the list, and then tapping on it, and you will be back in the calculator. This also is quite useful because it remembers the state you left the application in. So for example, if we open the settings and go to the system and updates page, close it, go to different app, and let's say maybe this one, and then you decide to go back to settings, it will still remember the page you left it on, as you can see. You can also remove the applications from this menu by swiping up on them, or by pressing this bin icon, which basically will remove all of them from the memory. And that's about all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.